Hello to everybody. Today we are going to talk with Dr. Paul Nash, polymer scientist. Dr. Nash, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Dr. Paul Nash and I am the eliminator of trash.
And what are we going to talk about today?
Today we're going to talk about plastics versus bioplastics.
Dr. Nash, how do you make plastic forks?
To make a plastic fork like this, you have to start with oil and then convert that oil into a monomer, and that monomer is then made into a plastic batch. That is called polymerization. We then take that plastic batch and pelletize it to something like this. So now we have pellets that we then can mold into a useful product.
How do you make a bioplastic fork?
A common material for bioplastics is polylactic acid. Polylactic acid starts out when you take a plant and you obtain the starch. That starch then is converted into the sugar. The sugar is fermented into lactic acid, and the lactic acid is polymerized to polylactic acid.
So once we have this fork made and it's to my house, and I use it and I'm ready to be done with it, what happens?
So use and disposal can be just as eye-opening as transportation. You have this fork, you use it for 10 minutes, you throw it away, it sits in a landfill for 10,000 years.
So Dr. Nash, what is the final word on plastics versus bioplastics?
So plastics are made from non-renewable resources such as oil, and their end-of-life solutions typically are landfilling. Bioplastics are made from renewable resources such as plants, and the end-of-life solution is composting. This can create a closed-loop system where we make forks, we compost them, we have that compost create plants, those plants then are used to create more forks, and we've got a closed-loop system. This can all be done locally, which is really exciting and is something we should all strive to do in the future. Signing out, this is Dr. Nash, the eliminator of trash.